FALCON A1, your ultimate craft laser. Plug and play. FALCON A1 automatically detects materials, optimizing engraving and cutting settings without any manual setup. With a beam of light as thin as hair, it makes your creative ideas happen to create everything you need. Anything around you can become what you dream of. Want to infuse your kitchen with your personal style? With joyful creations that transform the space around you. The laser can cut and engrave to create everything you need. It's capable of everything. Infusing your everyday items with your unique characteristics. It's about making something truly yours.
Mom, what's for dinner?
The laser brings more joy to your life. There are hundreds ready-to-go projects. Just peek and witness magic happen. Smart camera is ready for you. The live camera preview is easy and accurate to position. The smart patch feel for higher efficiency. Let's draw. Add a touch of magic. Trace graphic outlines to capture creative patterns. Shaping a cute idea into reality and wow in the moment. Watch your memories move from your photo album into your world. The beam of light dances, bringing your vision to life. We craft for ourselves, and we craft for the people we love. Because sharing our craft brings us joy, we should live in a world that we make for ourselves. Being a creator, sharing joy and embracing love. Explore your curiosity and pop. FALCON A1 gives you the ability to kick off your own business and a passionate life. The custom size and unique designs speak for the value. FALCON A1, your home crafter, your side hustle co-worker.